Casement Windows Taylor are a popular choice for homeowners in Taylor MI, offering a blend of classic aesthetics and modern functionality. Energy-efficient casement windows are an ideal option for those looking to reduce their utility bills while improving the overall comfort of their home. These windows are designed to open outward, offering excellent ventilation and providing unobstructed views. With the right installation, these windows can enhance both the beauty and performance of any home. Whether you're installing custom casement windows or opting for affordable casement windows. Custom casement windows offer homeowners the ability to tailor the design to suit their specific needs. Whether you're looking for vinyl casement windows or wood casement windows, a wide range of options is available in Taylor MI. Choosing energy-efficient windows can make a significant impact on your home's energy performance. Many homeowners are opting for double-glazed casement windows, as they offer superior insulation and noise reduction, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round. When considering casement window repair, it's crucial to work with a qualified contractor who understands the unique needs of your home. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your casement windows, ensuring they continue to function smoothly for years. Casement window hardware, including locks, hinges, and frames, plays a vital role in maintaining the window's functionality. For homeowners in Taylor, Michigan, seeking casement window repair services, it's essential to consult experienced window contractors who specialize in window maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are particularly sought after in Taylor MI, as residents aim to minimize energy consumption. Insulated casement windows are especially popular because they reduce heat transfer, making your home more energy efficient. Additionally, energy-efficient casement windows help lower heating and cooling costs, making them a wise investment. Homeowners in Taylor, Michigan can find a variety of casement window suppliers who provide products that meet energy efficiency standards and offer superior performance. Casement window frames and glass are integral components that affect the durability and energy efficiency of your windows. Whether you prefer the classic look of wood casement windows or the low-maintenance benefits of aluminum casement windows, selecting the right material is essential. The type of glass used in your casement windows can also influence the window's energy efficiency and noise reduction properties. Double-glazed windows provide a layer of insulation that helps maintain a stable indoor temperature, which is crucial in Michigan's fluctuating weather. Casement window styles vary widely, with options that cater to both traditional and modern tastes. For those in Taylor MI, modern casement windows offer sleek designs that complement contemporary architecture. Whether you're interested in installing a single casement window or multiple units, finding the right style is essential for achieving the desired look for your home. Casement window colors also allow homeowners to personalize their windows, adding a custom touch that enhances curb appeal. When considering a window replacement in Taylor, Michigan, homeowners can opt for a variety of materials, such as vinyl, aluminum, or wood. Each material has its benefits, with vinyl casement windows Taylor offering affordability and low maintenance, while wood windows provide a natural aesthetic. Aluminum casement windows, on the other hand, are known for their durability and strength. Regardless of the material you choose, it's essential to select a window that suits your budget and style preferences.